Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another YouTube series for my hair tutorials. This is the look that I will be creating today here on my channel, and you will be needing 4 things. You will be needing one of these babies right here, which is a crimper. You will be needing a wet brush, and you will be needing a setting spray or grooming spray, whatever you like to call it, and you could use hairspray too. So go ahead and keep watching if you like what you see. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up on this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So the first thing you want to do is just brush through your hair. Make sure there are no knots in your hair. And my hair is completely dry right now, otherwise the heat will not work. So I am going to work in sections because I have a lot of hair, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and start with the back. Well, actually I'm going to start with the front so I can show you guys exactly how you're gonna do it, and then I'm gonna do the rest off camera because my camera will die if I do it all on camera. The reason is because this is kind of a lengthy process, as you guys will see. You basically want to start at your roots right here and let go of any tension that you might have, because then it won't curl. So you do want it to be sitting there for a few seconds in order for it to actually crimp the hair. As you can see, you guys, it's starting to crimp. And then you're going to go down to the next one. Yo digo las cosas como son, no quiero ninguna aceptación, tampoco vengo a pedir perdón porque mis sentimientos se volvieron la canción. Yeah, no me vale mucho como tú me ves, sabes tú me llegas solo a los pies, para mí se grande. The shorter your hair is, the less time this will take you. But you guys, as you guys know, I have super long hair, so I'm gonna have to do this off camera or else my camera is just gonna die. And you do want to go down to the very end, even these last little hairs. And that is what it's supposed to look like. Super cute, but very time consuming. That is why I have not done this in years, you guys. Like, I have not turned on that machine in years. I wasn't even sure if it was going to turn on. Another thing that I forgot to mention, that once you have finished crimping your hair, before you put any hairspray on, you do want to spray some setting spray. And today I will be using the WASSUP grooming spray. And I won't apply quite yet because I still have to do the rest of my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off my camera, and when I turn it back on 2 hours later, my hair will be done. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so as I prepare myself for the last strand, I am so ready because it took me forever. Now be very careful, you guys, because the hottest parts are the 2 little barrels at the bottom, and I learned that the hard way right now by burning my thumb. But you really don't want to burn your forehead. Like, don't do it. It won't be cute. It'll hurt. But I'll tell you what is cute, and that is this hair right here that is coming out. We're almost done, you guys, and oh my god, like, this is why I can't go brunette, because damn, just this look wouldn't even be the same if I did it. Like, the highlights in my hair are everything right now. We're almost finished. I didn't time the right side of my hair, but it literally took me like half an hour to do the left side. And then the last half, I just kind of rushed through because I was like, I need to go. Look at this, you guys. Isn't this beautiful? And just like you like to set your face with Fix Plus, you need to set your hair. And like I mentioned earlier, I like to use WASSUP setting spray or grooming spray. And I'm just gonna go ahead and be very generous. Set the hair so that my curls last. Now I'm gonna go ahead and step back so you guys can see, like, look at this. Isn't this hair just beautiful? And like, I could tease it, but I feel like this is just like everything right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my spoiled earrings to complete this look. Aren't these just so cute, you guys? They say spoiled. And at this point, you could go ahead and put hairspray in your hair. It does weight my hair down a little bit, so I'm not gonna go ahead and do that today. But this is the look that I created today, and I'm so happy with it. I love it. I don't know about you guys, but I am in love with this look. Everything from my makeup to my hair. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment down below. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys.